Most traders don't fail because their strategy is bad. They fail because discipline collapses under pressure. You can know exactly where to enter, exactly where to exit, and still sabotage yourself in seconds. In this video, we're not talking about indicators. We're talking about why discipline breaks and how professional traders rebuild it. Most traders don't fail because their strategy is bad. The biggest lie in trading is this: once I find the right strategy, discipline will come naturally. It won't. Discipline isn't automatic. It's trained under discomfort, and the market applies pressure at the worst possible time. That's why most traders break rules they believe in. Discipline doesn't fail when things are calm. It fails when you're down on the day. You just took a loss. Price moves without you. Your nervous system reacts before logic does. That reaction is what you're really trading against. Beginners feel discomfort and try to escape it. Professionals feel discomfort and slow down. Same emotion, different response. Professionals don't eliminate emotion, they regulate it. That's the edge. Most traders rely on willpower. Professionals rely on systems. Rules remove decisions. Checklists reduce emotion. Structure protects consistency. Discipline isn't strength, it's design. Every trader wants comfort, but comfort is dangerous. It creates overtrading, revenge trades, rule bending. Pain isn't the enemy. Avoiding pain is. Professionals train discipline the same way athletes do. They rehearse losses, they expect drawdowns, they detach self-worth from outcomes. This is why they last. This is why they survive bad weeks. At some point, trading stops being about money. It becomes about identity. You stop asking, did I win? And start asking, did I execute? That's when discipline sticks. Most traders quit right here. Not because they can't learn, but because they can't tolerate discomfort long enough to change. Growth feels boring. Consistency feels slow. That's why it works. Discipline isn't something you wait for. It's something you build through repetition, through pain, through patience. The market doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards stability. If this video helped you think differently about trading, take a moment to reflect, not react. And if you're serious about mastering psychology, this channel is built for that journey.